Thank you for calling home service. This is Adrian Yakin Song speaking. How may I help you? I would like to order. May I know your name and room number, please? My name is LV and my room number is 08. Okay, ma'am. May I take your order now? I would like to order banana crepe and Asian salad. Would you like to try our bestseller? No thanks, that will be all. May I repeat your order, ma'am? Your order is banana crepe and Asian salad. Did I get your order right, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am, your bill is 450 pesos. For the payment of your bill, is it cash, credit card, or it's a room charge? Cash. Okay, ma'am, your order will be delivered as soon as possible, maybe in 15 minutes. Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. My name is EJ Miyaka, and I will be your room server for today. And here's your room service order. May I come in? Come in. Excuse me, ma'am LB. Where would you like me to set up your food? Shall I leave the food on the trolley or set up on your table? Set up on the table. Here's your banana crepe, ma'am. Asian salad. Would you like me to open your curtain to brighten up your room? Sure. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present to you your bill? Okay. I received 500 pesos. I'll be back for your change. What time would you like me to come back to pick up your soil dishes? After 1 hour. You need anything else, ma'am? Just dial the room service. Thank you. Room service. Room service. Room service. This is EJ Miyaka, and I'm here to pick up your soil dishes. May I come in? Please come in. Excuse me, Ma'am LB. Here's your change. Thank you. By the way, ma'am, we prepare a party tonight at the ground floor of our hotel at 8 p.m. Would you like to be seated? Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you for staying in our hotel. Have a nice day.